Once upon a time, there was a young couple named Sarah and Tom who were looking for a new home. They stumbled upon an old, abandoned house that was said to be haunted. Despite the rumors, they decided to take a closer look, and they were immediately drawn to the house's charm and character. As they explored the house, they noticed strange things happening. Doors would slam shut on their own, and they heard strange noises coming from the walls. Despite these unsettling events, they decided to buy the house and fix it up. However, things only got worse as they started to renovate. Sarah and Tom were constantly plagued by strange and terrifying experiences, from ghostly apparitions to unexplained noises. They tried to ignore the disturbances and continue with their renovations, but the haunting became more and more intense. One night, Sarah was home alone and heard footsteps coming from the attic. She cautiously climbed the stairs, only to find a ghostly figure standing before her. The ghost told her that the house was built on sacred Native American land and that the spirits of the land were angry. The ghost warned her to leave the house, or risk facing the wrath of the spirits. Sarah and Tom heeded the ghost's warning and fled the house, never to return. The house remained abandoned, and the rumors of the haunting only grew. To this day, the house is said to be one of the most haunted places in the area, and those who dare to enter are never seen or heard from again. And so, the story of the haunted house lives on, a chilling reminder of the dangers that can lurk in the shadows and the spirits that can haunt us even beyond the grave.